Harry?
What?
I know this isn't the best time, but when you get a chance to pull over, I gotta pee.
What, are you crazy? I'm not pulling over now.
But I gotta go. What am I supposed to do?
Well, whiz in one of the empty beer bottles in the back. Just they're on the floor. Just get one of. See, What? Watch the seat.
Okay.
Watch the seat.
All right. Uh-oh.
What? What's wrong?
The bottle's almost full. I'm still going.
So stop going.
I can't stop going once I've started. It stings. Quick, get me another bottle. Come on. Hurry. Come on.
Here.
Okay. Hold that. Hold that one. Hurry. I'm pitching it.
What are you, a camel?
Pull over!
No, it's a cardigan, but thanks for noticing.
Yeah! Killer boots, man! Pull your vehicle to the side of the road!
License and registration, please. You fellas were going a little fast back there, wouldn't you say? You fellas been doing a bit of boozing, have you? Sucking back on Grandpa's old cough medicine?
No, oh no, sir. No.
Yeah, well, what's that?
That's nothing, sir.
Yeah, nothing.
Yeah, well, you aware that it's against the law to have an open alcohol container here in the state of Pennsylvania? Come on, give me that booze, you little pumpkin pie hair-cutted freak. Come on.
Sir, no, wait.
No, sir, don't. Don't drink.
You'd keep your mouth shut if you knew it was good for you, buddy.
Tic-tac, sir?
Get the hell out of here.